Alright, last one for the day. So this is also from the Fat Quarter Shop. I just opened the top, don't know what's inside. So let's get into it. So this is my monthly package I get from the Fat Quarter Shop, and it is the holiday May 2019 Fat Quarter Club called Fabulous. And Halloween is my absolute favorite holiday, so I love getting these fabrics. Okay, so it is that we always get 12 fat quarters, and it looks like traditional-ish black, orange, purple, and beige. So let's look inside, or cream. I guess it's called cream. So it is from Riley Blake Designs, and again it's called Fabulous by Danny Mogstad. Probably butchered that name. So I like to open it up so you can see a big cross section of it. Okay, so this one is black background with diamonds in multicolors. This one has the moon and the stars in multicolors in the same black fabric, same colors. This is a witch, looks like Sabrina, and in the same color family, super cute. And this is the same diamond shape colors in a purple background. Here is a witch's hat with witch's shoes in a purple background, same color family. Here's an orange background with black bats, and I like how fancy the bats are, kind of curly Q, so I'm really liking that. Let me get in a little closer. And this is the same thing, witch's hat and shoes with an orange background. This is the bats on a muted purple mauve background. Here's the moon and the stars in an orange background. Here's cute little jack-o'-lantern pumpkins with cute little stars on a cream background. Here's the same witches on their broomsticks on a cream background with the same colored stars and moons. And here's the diamonds again on the cream background. So I'm really liking this. I might make this a focal point and make blocks with that. So I hope you enjoyed my holiday Fat Quarter Club, my monthly Fat Quarter Club. This is for May 2019, and it's a Halloween Fabulous fabric line from Riley Blake Designs. Okay, thanks for watching. And let me move it over so you can see it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.